In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Microsoft Store error encountered. The first step is you want to search for troubleshoot settings. In here, go to additional troubleshooters, and then we want to try and launch the troubleshooter on Windows Update. Just click on it and run the troubleshooter, and after that you can close it down once you've run it. After that you want to come here and search for services, press anywhere and press W. Look for Windows Updates, it should be right here. Double click and make sure it's on automatic and it says running. If it says stopped, you just want to press start and make sure it's on automatic, apply and OK, and after that you can close it down. Then you want to search for Microsoft Store, right click, App Settings, scroll down, press terminate, then press repair and then press reset. Once you've done all three of these, close it down, restart your PC, and then it should hopefully work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.